attempting to clear a airbag code. It was number 36, I believe, which is front left sensor. Of course, first thing, I'm dealing with airbags, so I'm disconnecting my battery. Now I've came down to the front left sensor. It's actually, I ended up pulling a bunch of crap off, thinking that's what I needed to do to get to it, but in fact all I need to do is take the air box out, which gives me access to the sensor, which is right here. So connector wire comes along, routed along the side under the battery here. Anyways, kind of hard to see, but it has two 10mm bolts. You can only see the bottom on there, and then one right here. Removed it. I don't know how to test it or anything like that, so what I'm doing this first time around is just simply unplugging and replugging in, making sure all the connections are good and no corrosion. So first things first, I pulled that, unplugged it, plugged it back in a few times, checked the connections, looks solid, looks clean. So I'm going to button this back up and then I'm going to go inside. Alright, under here, under the center console is the ABS module. So we got to pull this center console, show y'all where all the screws are, because several are hidden. Alright, so just pull that little sucker out. Under there, two screws. That gets that out of the way. Lift the sucker out. Two screws under there. Back here. You have two screws down there. Under there, you can see you have two screws there, and then one screw there. Now the whole center console should be loose. Alright, so you lift up from the back side. I did end up shifting the shifter probably into like second or first, somewhere down there, just to get it out of the way, and just lift from the back side and lift up and out. Masking tape, you're going to see there, yeah, I broke some stupid clips behind there, so that is going to be holding that so I can set some glue. Anyways, there is our ABS module. Okay, well, I went to the wrecking yard and I got a new airbag sensor for the front left. Also, while I was there, got a ABS or airbag module out of a 2004 Jeep. And see, I still got my stamp from the pick and pull. Anyways, so they put that in, and I have no more airbag light. So and it went away. So must have been a bad module. That's all it was. So I've got the old one here. I'm going to hang on to it, but apparently does not require programming for this engine, or at least for that 04 did not require any. It was almost the same model number. The only difference was the rug one I got from the wrecking yard is an H, and this one's an F at the end. So that was the only difference in the model number, and it seems to work. So gonna try it, drive it around, see what happens.